You know, I learned on a $14 K guitar. And it was 1993, so that was a really cheap guitar. Black and yellow you, just like banana too. They might pick you someday. Well, I guess you know by now it's a ye old Griffinheart acoustic demo trailer coming up for you here. Good old country song from Haiti.
Yeah, sure is, Dad. It sure is.
I don't hate it. I think Haiti should change his name because they have a lot of bad luck. And I think maybe it's the name, Haiti. By the way, if you want to hear a cool song, Parker Millsap. Hades Young, is it? Hades Right. Hades song.
Just Google it. Oh, get in a C, Dad. What are you doing? You're plugged
First,
in,
I
it's
need
fine.
the. I got.
You do.
Oh.
You're right there. But you gotta get in a C. Get in the right key, or I'll beat you later.
Oh, I see. What song are we singing?
Yellow bird.
Yellow bird of high-end banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? You should fly away in the sky away. Black and yellow, you just like banana too. They might pick you someday. We're going to do 3 verses. Yellow bird of high-end banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? Oh, that is very bad. It makes me feel so sad. But you can fly away in the sky away, 'cause you're more lucky than me. Yellow bird of high-end banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me.
Better fly away in the sky away. Pick her coming soon. Pick from night to noon. Black and yellow, you like banana too. They may pick you someday.
Yellow bird of high-end banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. You should fly away in the sky away. The picker's coming soon. They pick in night till noon. And black and yellow, you just like banana too. They might pick you someday. Yellow bird, high-end banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Yellow bird, yellow bird, yellow bird.
They may pick you someday.
Okay, nice try. Okay, no, the way we really end that show, and we'll do it on the record before it hits the radio, Ma, because I love to finish that song. I just go like this. This is behind the scenes. You're just a yellow bird. You're a yeller. Hold it. Don't be too fast. It's an acoustic country music demo from Griffinheart. And what else am I supposed to say? Yellow Bird, a good old country song from Hades. Now listen to me. We come and see the show, Three Chords and the Truth, because, although your life will not be the same again a little bit because of a trailer, it'll really change a lot for the better if you watch the whole show, but you got to hang in. So, y'all come back now, you hear? So long, pilgrims.